Meaning of fiction.
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 Fiction. Fiction refers to a form of literature that is wholly or partly derived from the imagination, rather than being based on fact. In fiction, characters, settings, and plots are often invented by the author rather than being based on real people, places, or events. This allows for a wide range of creative expression and exploration of themes such as love, loss, and human nature. Fiction can take many forms, including novels, short stories, plays, and poetry, and is enjoyed by readers around the world for its ability to transport them to new worlds and perspectives.